everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Kaz or Kazaroo, and thank you for coming and clicking on this video today. I'm going to show you how I did this eye look here with the Beauty Bay Reckless Romance palette, and I'm going to take you through step by step how you can also achieve this look. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the first colour I am going in with is with the Fling shade, which is this one, and we're just going to put that pretty much all up in the upper crease. And yeah, it's a really nice colour, just like a nice like dusty like purpley colour. I'm just gonna put that here and just really sweep it all the way across the eye, just literally across, and some circle motions. Already primed my eyes. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus eye primer. Like that. I just love this shade. It's such a nice shade. So pretty. Just brush it back and forth like so. And then the next colour we're going to go in with is the darker shade. And the next shade we're going to do is Front Row. And I'm taking Front Row and I'm putting on my brush that's like at an angle like this. And we're pretty much just going to put it all over the lid. Just push it on. It's a very intense colour, but don't be scared of it because you can blend it out if you don't want it to look too in your face. And just put that all over the lid and just really deepen up this outer corner bit just a bit more. Any that's left on the brush, just push into this outer bit of your eye. Just fancy doing like a nice plummy sparkly look, because why not? And I like pinks and I like purples, and I've not done an eye look in a while, so more eye looks are coming your way, guys. It looks really nice. And now it looks like this. And now I'm going to take the light shade, which is called Number One, in the pan. I'm just going to put some of that in the corner. And then swap out this top bit I'm going to show you now. I just like to brighten up the inner corner with like a matte white before I go in with like a shimmer. It just makes that area pop a bit more and makes that area just look a bit brighter. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my little smudge brush. You could just keep that same brush though. Okay, fine. Sorry, got hair. Let's get that off. And I'm going to go in with the top just like this. And just under the brow bone. Just to make that area pop a bit more too. And sort of blend that line away, but without going in too much. And then clean off your brush in between with a little brush pad. I've got this one, as I know most of you guys know, but you guys that are just clicking on me, you don't know, just a little brush pad. It's really good to clean off your brush in between, which is going to dirty out your brush like you would do a paint palette. Okay, and next I'm just going to slightly dampen my finger on a wet wipe. You can use setting spray. You know the drill, guys. Setting spray, dump your finger for a wet wipe. Yeah, so we're going to go in with, what did I put on my eye? I put Girlfriend. It's this beautiful, this one here, like shimmery, like pinky sort of shade. Stuff I like. It's a really nice shade. Okay, so finger is dampened. Girlfriend. It's beautiful. It's really pretty. And I'm just gonna go like this. Look at that sparkle. Now you can, this is just a quick tutorial, but you also can use like a glitter glue if you want. I've got glitter fix gel. You could put a little bit of that on and then put this on top after it's dried down a little bit. Or you can use NYX glitter primer. That's quite good. I like it just for doing my shimmers. I don't really like it before I do shimmers because I find it goes a bit like, I don't know, it's making my eyeshadow look a bit chunky or crumbly. I've noticed that. So a few people on different makeup channels have been mentioning that. And I've also been feeling that as well from that. So I've just been using it a little bit for my shimmers. And then just pat this all on, pretty much all over. I dampen my finger again, literally on a little wet wipe. dry it off a little bit. Just what, I don't know what it's soaking wet, just like a little bit damp, and then just pull it through the air. And then go back into the shade Girlfriend, just to intensify that shimmer on the eye a bit more, like we've done on the other side. And just, I like to sort of pat, but I also like to do a little pull on the lid, because I feel like it's just wiping off more, and you get a bit more of like an intense shimmer. We are putting it all over, but we are concentrating more on this bit of the lid. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, next I'm going to take my pencil brush and we're going to go in with the shade Encore, which is this one here. With lights. It's a bit like Girlfriend, but I'd say this one's a bit of a deeper colour. I just dampened my brush, just going in really, really gently, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the in the corner, like so. It's just a tiny bit. Do you see what I mean though? If you just do the white underneath, it just makes it a bit brighter and pop a bit more underneath. Because you could have like an inner corner sparkle that's a bit darker. Maybe you wanted to bring it up a bit brighter. Just put a lighter shade of eyeshadow underneath and it will do that for you. What's next? Right, we're going to sort out this corner because at the moment we're looking a bit rounded here, and here we're not. I'm going to show you what I do. But I'm just going to get my smudge brush quickly because I've got to show you this next step. Clean off my brush. I'm going to go back in with Fling, which is the pinky movie shade. This palette's so cool. I love the colours in this palette. It's really nice. I do like it. I am enjoying this palette. I need to play with it some more. And then I'll just go underneath here and I'm just pushing at the moment because I want more of the colour to be on the outer corner. So I'll just push it on and then I'll start sweeping it to blend it a little bit under the waterline. I'm not taking it all the way to the inner corner. I'm just probably going to stop about here. But it's up to you. You can keep on going. And then I'm just going to take the eye a little bit and just join it up here. And I'm probably going to pick up some more. Just like that. And just really like, I want this bit a bit more deeper, so I'll push more here, and then we'll blend it out here. Obviously, when you're going to blend, it's going to blend out the colour more, make it a bit more lighter. And then when you're pushing it, it's going to push more of it on. Okie dokie, there's that. To put in the waterline, I'm just going to do this nice nude and just line the eyes, because you know me, I like a little nude eyeliner, and that's what's looking like now. And then next we're gonna clean up this area. So take a wet wipe, what have you got to hand? I don't know, a wet flannel you could use with a bit of micellar water. And now I'm just gonna literally wipe underneath, clean up that line and get rid of any fallout or any glitter we've got, because I feel like I've got some. And then guys, dry that area down. And now I'm just gonna take a bit of concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me one. So old school. I just do a little dot here where I'm a bit dark, and I just do a line up there. And now I'm going to take my, I think this is a BH Cosmetics brush, it is R130, and I'm just going to literally clean up the edges. I'm just going to start this inner corner bit here and then drag like a line underneath, because I don't want to start here because I might get some of the shadow on my brush and then I'll be wiping it back under here and then I'll have like a punched panda eye. You don't want that. So start from this corner first, really, I should say. And be careful how underneath you're getting, because you want to be cleaning it up. And then you'll see me just brushing down the line. And then I'm going to be getting a bit closer. Just going to stretch my skin out a bit more. It's getting older, guys, so my skin's going a bit more south. So just push it up. Just be really careful with that line. And yeah, you're just cleaning up that area. Double check your brush. You haven't got loads of purple shadow on it that we just wiped on the brush, because then we want to blend this line away a bit more. We don't want like a really harsh line there. You want the crisp edge, but you don't want like the visible line. So try and blend it out. And anything's left on my brush, there's no purple, I like to sort of carve out my brow area a bit more. There's like nothing left on that now, but I just like doing that. That's like my thing that I do. Like, like to make it look a bit more sharper. Not too sharp, but just like it just cleans up like the brow area and just makes it look a bit more. Yeah. That's that. And that is it. That is the finished eye look. So simple, so easy. I'm not gonna do mascara. The mascara I would use, you've seen it before. At the moment, you know, I've been loving I lost it. The e.l.f. mascara. I could go and put that on now, but you've seen me do it all before. You don't need to see me again to put mascara on. I'm sure you guys, you know, you have your favourite mascara. So I'm going to leave that step, but it does obviously open up the eyes while I do put my mascara on, and it does obviously finish off the look. I could whack on some falsies, but I don't really do falsies, but it would make the look a bit more, will make the look more dramatic. But just as it is on its own, and maybe you guys don't want to wear mascara, because some people don't like wearing mascara. And yeah, this is what it looks like without mascara, and I think it still looks absolutely beautiful. And yeah, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and this was helpful to you, and consider subscribing for more makeup tips and tricks. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.